me as you'll ever be.
Because for some reason...
This is not my beautiful house.
I don't get taken out again.
This is not my beautiful
wife. And then you ask yourself, how did you get here?
How did I get here? What am I doing up here?
Skelto, you got pole.
Yeah, but it looks like somebody's gonna take it away from me. Give me back my pole.
Damn.
That's mine.
All right, Bagel Boy.
Oh, sorry.
Bagel Boy.
Bagel almost took him out. And then there he goes in the bush.
So he's Dustin.
Uh-oh, Bob.
Fucking...
Oh, God, get off this grass.
Oh. He's gonna kill us all.
Fuck! Dang.
Yep, follow right with you.
There goes the second race.
Your lines, Dangle.
What?
I hate your lines.
So then I just suck through it. And then...
I hate them.
I love my lines.
No, grass. That's bad. God damn you.
Shit!
Fucking pirate
Shit.
hooker. And now I just fuck right behind you again.
You got PTSD.
Yeah,
I don't think my tire was warm enough. I'm on
hard, but I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to hear it. Excuses.
Ooh.
Told you shouldn't use hard.
Now I have DJ. Goodbye, CJ.
See you, CJ.
Goodbye. Now I'm with Push.
In the spirit of Bob, since he
Billy Max
has left us.
I wish I could hit that right-hander like that every lap.
Yeah. It's because I'm behind you, so you feel the pressure.
No, I'm totally ignoring you right now. I do not have time for your bullshit.
I don't understand why I have bullshit.
Because we both crashed. I got stuck to your fucking motorcycle because you crashed. Just stood me up and walked me off the racetrack.
Sorry.
I don't think you are.
I mean, I'm only like 10% sorry.
That I'll believe, and I'll take 10%. It's better than 0. And when my perfect season, all Dustin's fault.
You can't blame that evil on me. It was a racing incident.
Don't put that evil on me, Mr. Bubba.
I was already counting my perfect season after 2 whole races.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I got nervous.
Well, a little wide there, Kelso.
Yeah, I noticed.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, who did I just crash?
Me.
Oh, little too much on that right-hander this lap.
God, this back or side straight or whatever you want to call this damn thing is so slow.
You ever been on a racetrack with a never-ending straightaway?
Summit Point is kind of like that.
Yeah, kind of. Because they're fucking terribly boring. I applaud the effort fighting back there.
I'm trying to figure out why my soft rears hold up better than my medium ones.
It's the thing.
Who's mouth breathing?
Basically me. I'm under a lot of pressure right now.
Yeah.
I can see the leaders.
Smitty!
I'm your daddy.
MotoGP Championship. You good? The last race.
Oh, my rear tire is gone.
Oh my god. You have that right back.
Shit. Who's in second place?
Blazed. I fucking caught him and now I can't close the gap.
Use this rear tire to cool down, goddammit.
There's some serious focus going on here.
I can start singing.
Some fuckers.
When you see me swirling around behind Freddie, on my
Trying to not
tire
even
is
pay attention.
all over. I've got no rear tire left.
I need a couple more of those blades.
Apparently you have no tire left either, Glenn. I see you swirling around too.
What exactly does a bike do when it swirls around?
Spins in circles.
Round and
That back
round.
tire dancing.
Great bike. He's got a little rock problem.
Well, I've been swirling around already.
Hoboken, New Jersey.
Not now, bro.
He's
He is super focused because he knows if he fucks up, I'm going right by him.
You're a second?
I thought you were somebody else.
No, keep fucking him up.
Shit, that's Frank behind me.
yeah. You better get your shit together, CJ.
Yeah, no, I'm on it.
Well, hi, CJ. I smell you.
Weird.
No, you're in salt.
Smells like licorice and
Teen Spirit. Smells like Teen Spirit. I just fucked that corner up so he got away. But you just fucked that corner up, so I got you now. Come here.
Well, I've got no tire left. I'm sliding here.
Well, I ran hard, so my tire's great right now. At first they sucked it, so I fell for a time. Don't use me while I come around you.
Shit.
Better get out my way. That's all I got to say.
There goes the back tire. Took right out the bike, bro.
That was great. I watched you tumble sideways in front of me. Where my tires held up.
Yeah, I did something I never do. I picked a fucking harder compound and it didn't last.
I ran
Shit.
hard. I'm running hard tires myself. Fuck, they ran.
Yeah, but I
I'm going great.
normally run softs, and my softs last better than the hard, the medium did.
you two were awfully quiet up there.
I know.
I hope you're running the gas right now, because fuck you.
I just turned it on to 2 right now.
Oh, I fucking tucked the front. Get off, stop sliding. Shit.
Shit! Oh yeah, that was fucking... Oh. I think I quit breathing after TJ pointed out that I was mouth breathing.
Motherfucker!
Hankel's not done mouth breathing though.
Damn it!
He's still mad at
Nope. Dude, there's not even red left on my tire. It's clear.
Oh my god!
My tire
fucking
is
finish.
completely clear.
Ooh, that was scary.
That's fuck.
My tire was completely clear.
Damn it!
That was good, clean fun though. Both of you guys.
Yay!
Yeah, that was actually all of us. Top 5, all separated in,
18 seconds or
under
13 seconds.
8 tenths. Yeah.